All right, back on the 64 panel. I got the brake line run all the way from the front to the back here, and I got the new hose, brake hose. So all I gotta do is stick it in here, put the clips on it, and that's as far as I can get. I can't run these other brake lines till I get the wheels off and see what's up with the brakes. I'm sure it's going to need wheel cylinders at least, which I think I have them. Just got to make sure, because I bought some for a C10 pickup, so hoping they're the same. But yeah, so I'm going to pull them wheels off, and I'll pull one off anyways and see what I need, and then I'll see what I got to order. All right, time to take a wheel off and see what we need as far as the brakes go. Hoping it's not too all rusted out, but definitely the wheel cylinders will be needing to be replaced. So let's see what happens. Nothing's really tight on this thing. Well, they look pretty rusty. I had this wheel off once before to try and put an aluminum rim on here, but the studs don't come out far enough. So I don't know if that's going to work. I'm going to probably just look for some steelies. These are a tube tire. It's actually a Goodyear 6.5 by 16 LT. And I'm guessing it's a bias ply. Nylon cord. 4 plies, nylon cord. Made in Canada. It's gotta be old. Yeah, it's cracked everywhere. But yeah, these are really old, so this thing has got to be off the road for a long time to have bias plies on it still. And just look how narrow that tire is. I think that's the stock size from the factory. But yeah. Yeah, right. Good luck there. Nope. Not gonna be that easy. I'm gonna need to put some juice on it, see what happens. Probably stuck on that center. I'll have to put the heat to it or something. Nope. She ain't moving. Yeah, let me get the torch. Maybe a little bit of heat might help. Moving, or I'm seeing things. It sounds like it's loose. Get the wire brush out of there. Let's see if it'll come loose. loose. So I guess there's a little rust build-up there. Come on. Yeah. There too. Maybe there too. A little bit of juice. One more pounding. Okay. See how it's going to go. The hard way. Go on this side. Nope. More heat. Maybe. Brake shoes are a little tight. Pull the truck over. It's coming, but not fast. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on. I think it's the brake shoes are a little tight. Brake shoes. It's coming. Get a bigger pry bar. That always helps. All right. Well, it's definitely off the center. It's just the brake shoes holding it. I can see the brake shoes, but okay. It's close. I guess there's a bit of a ridge on the brake drum. It's going, but it's slow. I don't want to ruin anything as far as the mix itself. So if I can just keep getting it kind of, yeah, it's going. There we go. All right, awesome. Oh, yeah, it's a bit of a ridge, just rust really. And the drum doesn't look, got some grooves in it, but look, there's lots of meat there. Really not that rusty. I'll just clean that up with some sandpaper or something, but I think that's still pretty good. Okay, I'll bring you in closer. Let's see what we got here. The light. Okay. Oh yeah. Well, there's actually some brakes left, but wow, that wheel cylinder doesn't look great. Let's give that a little poke. What the hell's that? Is that just dust? I guess. Let's see the boot. The boot's all cracked, and yeah, she's just, yeah, totally corroded. So yeah, definitely that one, and that side too. Boots all cracked and corroded. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna take it apart and clean everything, put new wheel cylinders on, and then I can put the rest of the brake lines on the back axle once I do these two wheels. So I'm going to clean them up, probably paint, just scrape the rust and paint it, make sure the emergency brake cable's working, free up the adjuster, which seems to be stuck. Can't blame it, really. Sitting probably a long time, but I think all the parts look pretty good other than the wheel cylinder. Just got to be cleaned up. Brake pads, yeah, I should replace those, but I might put them back on for now. I got a lot of work to do yet, but yeah, I might put it back together with those pads, get the brakes working, and then when I'm ready to put it on the road, I'll put new shoes on it and spend the money, because I'm still thinking of changing to a 5-bolt axle, because it's kind of limited on the wheel options. We'll see. If I do that, if I do change to a 5-bolt pattern, I'm definitely going to put some lowering springs in it or something while I'm at it, and then some drop spindles on the front. But that's way down the road. Just the goal here, running and driving. Okay, catch you later. Well, that was pretty amazing. The emergency brake actually still functions. If I had known that, I could have used that a long time ago. I just didn't want to try it in case it seized. Anyways, yeah, catch you later.